welcome to our Craftmania product focus here on the YouTube channel Crafting with Jamie Rodgers and Craftmania. Today we're going to have a little look at the Vaessen Creative Stamp Cleaner Spray and the Stamp Cleaner Easy. Now these products are a true game changer to anybody who does stamping. I'm going to be honest, I've been stamping myself now for about 18-19 years and I've been quite a messy stamper. I very rarely bother to clean my stamps, I can't lie to you. When I used to teach lessons, people would complain that I didn't clean them, and I always hid by the idea that I picked up somewhere along the lines Tim Holtz claims that he doesn't clean his stamps. It gives more grunge and texture in between. So that's a good excuse if you want to hide behind the truth of actually cleaning them. Because, to be fair, every time I went to clean them, I found it was a lot of hassle, a lot of work, and I couldn't be bothered. I'm just lazy. I'm a lazy, messy crafter. But confession time over, it's all about the product, really. What changed it for me was when I got a product that actually worked, that made my stamps clean and didn't take forever to do it. And I know this sounds like a gimmicky sales pitch, but it really is true. So what I thought I would do is I would show you one of my woodware sets of stamps, which, as you can see, haven't been cleaned in many, 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 many years. It's one of my favourite sets of stamps. I go to it all the time. I'm going to take my stamp cleaner spray. Now, to be honest with you, if you do purchase this, you're going to quickly find that Vaessen Creative, the people who make it, in the packaging in the box that comes with your Clean Easy, they will tell you themselves. You don't have to use the spray. You can just mist water onto them, and that will help clean your stamps. You know, there's no trickery to this. I will say this does seem to clean better than water, truthfully, honestly. I know it's a clear liquid, you might be thinking with bottled water or on the con, but it genuinely is a really good cleaner and one I've found brilliant. So I'm going to take my stamp, I'm going to take my messy stamp off here, I'm going to mist onto this side of my Clean Easy. Now what you're going to notice straight away is that we have two different pads. Both are covered in bristles. How I use mine, and you don't have to, they do, by the way, start off bright white, but I wanted to show you that I've used mine. I love mine. This is how much I've used mine. I keep going back to it time and time again. You can actually remove the deep bristles if you want to. So if you wish to, you could of course wash this off and start fresh. But I'm quite happy with it being a bit inky. That's what it's going to end up like. I'm happy with that. So I've misted it with my stamp cleaner spray. I'm just going to take my stamp and I'm going to work it across the top here on the bristles. Now the bristles and the cleaner, of course, are going to remove all that ink for me. Now again, I'm one of these people who does work in a bit of a mess. I am quite a chaotic crafter, so I often find I get embossing powder on my stamps, or glitter, or aurora flakes, anything along them lines. So again, sometimes my stamps lose their stickiness on the reverse of them. So you can do both sides. You can take your stamp, you can clean off the back too, so that you've got rid of all of that embossing powder. Anything that's stopping your stamps from sticking, whether they're rubber or clear stamps, it doesn't matter. If we get too much on here, we're going to find they get messy. Now you're going to notice already my thumb is black. That's all the ink I've stripped off of this stamp. That's all coming off of this stamp alone and inking on me, which is fine. I don't have to be this messy as I'm doing my cleaning, but I'm quite happy to show you that we've made that ink work again. Now I can tell you, just in honesty, I use StazOn ink, I use Memento ink, I use archival ink. My one at the moment, which is my favourite, is possibly Versaclair. So, you know, there's a lot of different ink textures and brands and styles that these stamps have been abused with for many years. And just by taking them from our clean with our deep bristles, cleaning them off on the fine bristles, we can see my stamp has removed all that old ink. So we've taken it from this style of stamp to a nice, clear, transparent stamp ready to use once again. It's that simple, that quick, that easy. This is actually the same stamp that I've done here, the before and after, just to show you. It really will take off all your excess dirt. So if it's something that you're struggling with and you feel that you would like help with that, you have the perfect carry case because it's already built. You've got the perfect bottle to go with it, and it's just a really good way to actually purchase something that's actually going to work for you. Now on the Craftmania website, you will find that you can purchase the stamp cleaner for $5.99, or you can purchase the Clean Easy for $12.99, or we actually have a bundle where you can put both of them together. It's already done for you, and they're actually reduced to £15.49 as a bundle pack. So if you do wish to save more money, that's the best way to buy them, and it will of course come to you as both items in one packet. If you live within the UK, you'll also receive free P&P, because at any time you purchase over £5 or spend over £5 on the Craftmania website, your P&P within the UK is completely free. If you live internationally and wish to shop with us, then that's not a problem either. You can of course order on our website, and P&P is capped at just £10. But just check out the About Us section to find out more details about how our international and UK postage works. You can of course also order via the phone. Our phone lines are open from 9 AM to 7 PM, and our phone number is 01403 843 666. I hope this is something you like the look of. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to pop them in the comments, and I will do my very best to answer them for you. Thank you so much for watching today, and hopefully I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.